Hey YouTube, this is Southern Prepper 1. I want to bring you some breaking news that occurred in the Black Sea. Russia had two of their planes in the air, their Su, I think they're 27s, and they were harassing one of our drones. Now, who was controlling the drone? It was a U.S. drone, but who was in control of it? I don't know. But the Russian planes flew in reckless manner, and that's what's being reported. And they reported to go over top of them, or go over the top of our drone and dump fuel on them, and something happened. One report was that a Russian jet collided with ours, forcing it to crash. Was it shot down? I don't know. I don't know if we'll ever know the truth, but the bottom line is our drone crash landed into the Black Sea. So we will see what comes from this. I know it'll be a huge talking points for the Russians that they, made one of our jets crash. So it's just more turmoil in the world. But I'm surprised it hasn't happened sooner. We're over there in their backyard, and it's just a matter of time before something bad happens. Could this be something bad? If they did shoot it down, I don't think they would have probably shot it down unless they thought that it was a Ukrainian, and that's fair. And it's sort of hard for the Russians. They have drones everywhere firing at them, so for them to protect themselves, I can see that. But this occurred in international waters. So will we know the truth? I don't know. Just so you know, one of our drones have crashed, and Russia was definitely involved in the incident. Thanks for watching.